I'm recording Forrest. He's acting like a retard. I think he's high.
Open up that jacket, the end of the jacket.
That's 1-800-508-9628. Don't delay. Call us next.
Okay, put it over. We need to put him in the jacket.
Yeah, I'm gonna go for
Tomorrow's cuisines. Learn tomorrow's restaurants. With a focused degree that exposes you to world cuisines.
Here, come here, hold the jacket.
Create tomorrow. The International Culinary Schools at the Art.
How can you do it? I can't.
Click now.
See, it's so just. No, he's your baby. Baby. It's a very ugly baby.
Open the door, let me go out there.
It's a misshapen baby.
Open the door.
So who was the unlucky cunt?
You look like he's.
He's purring too.
Miss Yvonne, look at my new baby.
Oh, how cute. Oh, and he's all furry. He's just as cute as could be. Oh, he looks just like you.
Except for
Oh, he
uglier.
looks, his nose has his mom's nose.
He's like, man, what you
Look
doing
at
to
him.
me?
This is the first time he's ever let anybody hold him.
Oh,
You
what
must
is?
have- You want to know, hey.
You know who it
That's
is.
the first time he's let anybody hold him. That sucks, man. He won't let us hold him.
Wow.
He won't even let Sarah. And she can usually wrestle down any cat.
We got a baby.
There's one misshapen baby. Look at Tyler's misshapen baby.
Actually got the cat like that.
I don't believe it. You guys come to winning? You win? Gonna kill it.